tour guide was fantastic. My favorite, the MUT, was a great find similar to Chelsea Market, and I loved it. Definitely something I'm glad I didn't miss out on. Discover Santiago's dynamic financial district with a private walking tour through Las Condes, also known as Sanhattan. Begin at Edificio Cruz del Sur, explore the historic Escuela Militar, stroll along Isidora Goyenechea Avenue, and visit the lively Mercado Urbano Tobalaba, MUT. Conclude your journey with breathtaking panoramic views from the Sky Costanera, Latin America's tallest building. Titanium Park offers an urban oasis with green spaces and impressive city views. The tour includes a stop at Plaza Perú, known for its colorful benches and Sunday antiques fair. Mercado Urbano Tobalaba, MUT, features over 300 shops and diverse culinary experiences inspired by Manhattan's Chelsea Market. The experience ends at the Sky Costanera Observatory, providing a 360 degrees view of Santiago and the Andes.